everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about meat processing. Now, some of you are going, well, I got 2-3 years worth of foods put away, and I don't have to worry about that. Well, if we have a real SHT situation, well, for it to be a real SHTF situation, it affects the entire country. Government has failed, and it's going to be years before the government gets back up and years before commercial businesses can provide you with food. So you're going to need to be doing it on your own. All right. So really simple. I just picked this up. It was on sale, so I got it on Amazon. I did an unboxing about this book last month. So I'm throwing it out here again for your prep for today. Think about learning about how to process beef, meats. This one specifically for beef. There's another book that covers, one book covers rabbits, goats, chickens, poultry stuff, so it covers small animals. This does big animals. And you can use this one for the same principles in this one for elk, moose, deer, big animals. All right. And it's good. It's got great pictures in there talking all about animal anatomy and color. Great pictures. Am I telling you have to get this book? No. If you can find a better book, get that better book. I'm telling you, get some sort of knowledge and skill about processing meat for yourself. All right. And I'm going to put some links up around here for you at the end here. Most of them have to deal with teaching other people about prepping because, well, this is why.